Welcome back to Happy Chappy Reef. This is part 4 of the water mixing station build. The 300 litre tanks were not pre-drilled because I originally thought the metal in the opening would affect the water quality. However, the way they've been designed, this is not the case. I'm quite happy to drill all the way through. The water won't come into contact with the metal ring. I've used all 20mm PVC pressure fittings. You don't have to use these, you could use other fittings. However, I like these. I've used them before, I've fitted them before and had no problem with them. Yeah, I've just finished marking the centre of the board. The water tanks are sat on 25mm insulated board. Later in the video I'll cut out 2 circles to go under each individual tank. Preparation and planning prevents a poor performance, as they say, and it's worth spending a bit of time working out where everything's going to fit on the board before you cut anything. So all the pieces are going to be mirror images of the other side. So I'll have equal amounts of everything that I've measured up and cut, and everything should work out, he said, hopefully. So after cutting, I'm taking off the burrs. So I'm just going to do a dry fit, making sure all the components fit well and that they're fully seated completely into the openings of each component. So I'm using Flowplast solvent weld, very easy to use, very good. Used it lots of times in the past and never had a single problem with it at all. So I'm using the solvent weld on both the male and female parts. Then I push the components in, twist it quarter of a turn and hold for approximately 15 seconds on each, or till I'm assured that the part is not going to push itself out. On the plastic to metal components, I've used a bit of PTF tape. I'm using the Ecotech Vectra M2. Yes, I know probably a lot of people are going, it's a bit of an overkill. I guess it's a bit of an overkill. I could have brought a cheaper pump. I've got 2 of these in my main tank, and if one ever gets down I can swap this straight out for that one. As you can see, the pump outlet is not at the same level. I've cut out 2 discs of insulation board which I'm going to fit underneath the water tanks, and then underneath the pump I'm going to cut out for the pump to fit in, and this, if I've got my calculations right, should make everything even. Thankfully my calculations worked out, and as you can see it's perfectly level with the pump. There's a picture of the fittings I'm going to use to go into the side of the tank. Really good art product. I'm going to use 2 more of these on the top of the tank. So show you a picture from what it looks like on the inside. The fitting just compresses into the whole formula seal, and it's got a female 3/4. The suppliers of the parts do a YouTube video showing you how to fit it. They also come in various other sizes. I'm going to finish this video here. In the next one, obviously I'm going to water test it. Hope to see you there.